Hudson, you want to open your stocking? Stocking. What's this?
Oh, yeah. Who's at the top of your stocking?
This is the top of this one.
Who's that?
Of the whole pole.
Who's that? Who's that? Bird. It's a big bird.
It goes to the Sesame Street.
Goes to
it's
Sesame Street. You're
That's
right.
right.
Whee!
Yeah, doesn't care. don't care, like the cars.
Got cars and trucks.
It goes through the whole tunnel.
Here you go, Hudson.
The Holland Tunnel?
Yeah.
Stuff's in your
That's the
stocking.
tunnel.
Yeah.
So this is I pulled it off. I pulled it off.
Yes, you can pull off the paper.
Wow, it's a train.
Yeah.
Oh boy, more stuff, more vehicles.
Wow, it's a train.
That's right, it's a train. I think it makes noise.
Open this.
Okay.
Open this.
Okay. There you go, kiddo.
Open that
And then there's
train.
the button. Oh, I thought it just made one noise.
One noise.
More noise.
There's plenty of noises there, honey.
Yeah. Thank goodness.
Ding
Ding
dong.
dong.
There. It goes. Yeah. Yeah.
What a great Christmas. Look at that.
No.
That's it.
You're all done.
No. Yes.
No, yes. Sorry, just take stuff off the table. Yes. Can I open another one? More stuff out of your stocking?
More train. It's a more
I think maybe
train.
you can open it on that side.
I think it's going to be more trains, Hudson.
Who?
Mommy.
A mommy that pulled out. Whoa, it's a blue full train.
What train is blue?
Yeah, it's Thomas. Thomas is here.
Thomas is here. Oh, thank goodness.
I had to pull Thomas out.
Okay, we can try that. I should wrap these unpackaged next year.
Next year you're going to have your hands full.
That's true.
Just go put
Next
in
year
a
he's lucky
plastic
if it's
bag.
wrapped. That's true. I'm gonna go back to my grandma's wrapping method. Grandma
Brown.
always wrapped everything in brown paper bags.
Oh, Kevin had that.